How's it going, guys? Want to make a quick video here on how to export your BeamNG career vehicles into like a free roam setting so you can use it anywhere on any map. I normally would go through the code and make some file changes, but actually Gabe showed me a better way. It's super easy, so I wanted to share it with everyone in a proper video. So first thing you want to do is get in your vehicle. We're going to get in Frank here, and then go ahead and save your game. If not, you might get some errors when trying to do the next part, which is go to main menu and then simply go to garage. This will bring you and your vehicle into this garage area. You might get some little errors, but that's fine. One thing I did notice is the paint doesn't necessarily always stay the same. For instance, our paint in the career, we had a gray hood that was unpainted. Now the full car is painted. But you can also make some additional adjustments here as well. But then you can go ahead and hit save here at the bottom left and type in your new save. Hit save. And then you can always make additional saves or overwrite. And you can go into the test session here. And as you can see, it'll take you to the grid map and you can drive around your vehicle just straight from your career mode. If you ever want to spawn it again, you can go to your vehicles, search for your vehicle. I'll hit expand configurations, and I'll also include custom.pc configurations. You should see your vehicle. I did the same thing with Pearl, so we'll double check that that worked. Oops. Looks like there might be a lot of pearls. There it is. And there you go. You have your career vehicles exported into free roam. Yeah, thanks again to Gabe for finding this this way of exporting vehicles. That's a lot easier than messing with files and codes. And thanks for watching.